Planning a Baguio trip soon pero di mo pa alam saan magstay? Let me show you one of the most comfortable and aesthetic places to stay here in the City of Pines. Na-feature ko na rin ang hotel na ito before, pero since it's the holiday season, let me show you what it's like here during this festive time of the year. Tara and let me tour you around and see for yourself why you should consider Azalea as your next Baguio staycation spot. Hello everyone! So, andito na tayo sa ating room and let's do our room tour. So, pagpasok sa ating main door, andito sa left side yung kanilang bathroom. So, actually, nagamit na namin ito dahil kahapon kami dumating and medyo pagod na and gabi na din yun kaya hindi ako nakapag-video. So, this is their bathroom. Complete amenities na yan. May towels, may hand towel, may hot and cold shower, may bidet, and may toiletries na din yan. May shampoo, conditioner, bath gel, and toothpaste. So, after ng bathroom, dito naman tayo sa my living area. So, meron dito salamin. And as you can see, meron tayong electric fan aside from the ceiling fan kasi dito sa Baguio, hindi uso ang aircon. But so far, since day 1 na nagstay kami dito, never namin ginamit ito isang fan. Ito lang is enough na. Kasi nga, burn months, medyo malamig ngayon. So, siguro during summertime, lalo pag tanghali, kailangan nyo ng extra fan. Dito tayo sa may kitchen area. So, ito yung pinaka-the best part ng Azalea Hotels and Residences kasi meron silang sariling mini kitchen. So, meron tayong microwave dito and meron din tayong fridge. Kaso, wala pang laman. Meron palang complimentary bottled water kaso, nainom na namin pagdating. And, eto, kompleto na lahat ito. May mga drawers na complete ng utensils. May mga plates, cups and saucer. Eto, ginamit namin kanina kasi nag-coffee kami. Meron din coffee setup na nagamit namin. May kettle, may microwave oven.
Huh?
Ano to?
Rice cooker.
May rice cooker kung gusto nyo magluto and switch on lang to para sa kanyang exhaust. Ay, ito. Pero pwede kayong mag-request ng mga frying pan if kailangan ninyo. Meron pa sa baba? Hindi, extinguisher to eh. Andito pala yung ibang andito yung ibang mga lutuan. So, kumpleto na yan kung gusto nyo magluto at makatipid. And dito naman tayo sa area na to. So, eto yung kanilang living area. Kasi itong room na to is good for 4 packs. Maximum of 4. So, pag 4 kayo, pwede nilang gawing bed ito at night. And here, meron tayong table. So, as you can see, meron tayong door dito. So, this room pala is a deluxe room. However, it's a connecting room. So, pag family kayo at gusto nyo i-occupy yung 2 rooms kasi hindi na kayo lalabas-labas ng main door, pwede i-renting nyo itong 2 beds or 2 bedroom tapos pabuksan nyo lang to. Safe naman kasi both lock naman in both sides. So, now let's go to the bed. Okay. So, ito yung ating bed. It's a queen size bed. So, very comfy ang kanilang comforter, ang kanilang duvet, and meron tayong both sides. May sarili tayong controls ng mga ilaw. Yan. And may phone din doon if gusto nyo tumawag sa reception area. And dito naman, yung kanilang TV na merong kanina nanood kami kasi wala siyang available na Netflix. But malakas naman yung Wi-Fi, so pwede kayong manood ng YouTube. And if gusto nyo mag-order, room delivery, iscan nyo lang itong QR code ni Kuya Jace. Yan. Meron drawer dito. So, meron tayong hair dryer or blower. Tapos, meron din salamin dito. And nandito naman yung cabinet. So, meron tayong safe box. So, for your valuables, yan. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung mga valuables niyo. And meron tayong iron board. And yung mismong iron, you can request sa reception. Meron din tayong extra pillows doon. Kasi diba sabi ko nga, yung sofa pwede convert into bed. So, you can use that part. Pinakagusto ko is, of course, balcony. Ito yung pinakamagandang part, overlooking ng Baguio City. Doon pala may kids playground, tapos sa gabi merong bancheto. Every weekends merong mga food court, parang ganun. Konti lang naman, pero okay na din kasi makipagsisigaw mabalikan kayo sa night market, sa may session, meron din dito sa gabi.
And eto yung sinasabi ko na Banchetto, ang kagandahan pa hindi lang pagkain ang meron dito. May live acoustic sessions at karaoke nights pa during weekends. So if you're looking for that home away from home feel with a touch of elegance and true Baguio vibes, try Azalea Hotels and Residences located along Leonard Wood Road, just 7 minutes away from Session Road and 3 minutes away from Botanical Garden. Super convenient for your next staycation. Follow for more gala and food trips. Yun lang, bye!